Anthropic, the creators of Claude, just released a massive research paper called Labor Market Impacts of AI, a new measure and early evidence. And because last week I released a video that covers the similar topic, I decided to record this follow-up video and look at this paper closely to see how the actual creators of LLMs estimate the potential impact. So today we are looking at why 70% of programming work is technically gone, why entry-level job market for 22 years old crashed by 14%, and why having a master's degree is actually making you more vulnerable to automation than a bartender. So let's get into the data. And before we look at the list of jobs, we have to understand how Anthropic measures it. Usually researchers look at the potential exposure, meaning can AI do the task? If the answer is yes, they mark it as automated. But Anthropic says this is the wrong approach, and they introduced observed exposure. It measures what actually happens in the wild, and they found a massive adoption gap. Claude technically can write a legal brief in 30 seconds. That's the potential. But a law firm has to deal with client privilege, malpractice insurance, and hallucination checks. So the observed exposure can be just 10%. And that's why we don't see a mass unemployment yet. Corporate inertia is a powerful shield. But there is some scary news. Anthropic found that in tech sector, that shield is paper thin. In software and data, the gap between the potential and observed is closing faster than anywhere else. Now let's look at the numbers. Anthropic ranked occupations by how much of their daily workload is replaced or assisted by AI. And computer programmers are at the first place. 75% of programming work is already replaced or assisted by AI. And this is the highest in the study. So if you are a dev, you're under pressure. Next, customer service with the 70%. And we've seen the Klarna case, and that's happening right now. Next, data entry and medical records with the 67%. That's a pure information processing. And then market research and financial analysis with 57 to 65%. This is a knowledge worker tier. These aren't low-skilled jobs. Anthropic found out that workers with degrees are 4 times more likely to be in the high-exposure roles. And that's an interesting inversion. Historically, automation took the blue-collar jobs first, the heavy lifting or the assembly lines. And now AI is doing the opposite. It's coming for the people in climate-controlled offices who are moving the cursor on the screen. So if you are a financial analyst who is making more than 100,000, you are statistically more exposed than the person that is making 40K as a motorcycle mechanic. And another controversial finding in this paper is 14% hiring drop. Anthropic found that in these highly exposed fields, hiring of workers aged 22 to 25 years old dropped by 14%. And this explains why you are ghosted on LinkedIn. Here's the logic. If a senior engineer uses Claude or GitHub Copilot, they become more productive. And suddenly a senior can handle the work that was done by senior and 2 juniors before. And company doesn't fire the senior because it needs his judgment and experience to verify the AI, but they stop hiring juniors. And this creates a massive structural problem for the future. If we don't have juniors today, we will not have seniors in 5 years. So if you are a student or a recent grad in tech, then you're not just fighting to get the job. You're fighting to prove that you are better than $20 subscription. And which jobs are actually safe? Anthropic's data shows that about 30% of jobs have zero observed exposure. And these are, first of all, physical jobs, mechanics, plumbers, or people who work in construction. Then jobs with high-stakes liability, doctors, nurses, on-site emergency responders, and jobs with interpersonal dynamics, such as hospitality sector, for example. So the mode here is physical presence and liability. AI can't fix your leaky pipes and can't be legally responsible if it makes a mistake in a physical task. And what about us, tech people? Our mode is no longer just to know how to code. We need to have product intuition, system design skills, and liability management. You are the one who signs off the AI output and takes the blame if it breaks. The human-in-the-loop requirement is your only job security. And what's the conclusion? Anthropic tells us that we don't have to wait for a big bang when millions are fired on Monday morning. Instead, they predict a long diffusion. Just like internet that didn't kill our jobs but changed how everyone is working. AI is doing the same. But it's happening in 10x speed. And the takeaway for us: don't wait for your boss to tell you that your job is exposed. According to Anthropic, it already is. So your goal is to move from a task doer to AI orchestrator. And if you want to read the full paper yourself, I will put the link in the description of the video. And let me know in the comments below what do you think. And thank you for watching the video. Don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe for my channel. See you in the next one.